Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lesson. So as I said earlier, I'll be doing the second part of the geometrical Afro praise. Okay, so if you didn't watch or if you're missing the part one, click on the link. There will be a pop-up over here. Just click on it. It's gonna take you to the part one video. Okay, so this is the second part where Ofori will be singing. So the bass line that was played there was somehow different from the other side of geometrical. Okay, I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below or in the description below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. This is the intro, very simple. On TC. So the normal vibe, that is your do, do, la, mo, re. You slide to your so, then to your do. Okay, so now let's listen to the bass line played. So just the normal bass line. Do do la la re re so do la la re so do. Okay. So kaya da 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 da. So you have your do la mi re la re so put that in your mind. Okay, la re so. Then you continue do la la re. Okay. So when you enter so ti do mi do so la do mi do so la. Then you have mi re la re so. Okay. Oh wow no. Okay. So do so so. Now to your re and so. So okay, do la re la re so. So you join the both together. So do so so la re la re so. Okay. So do so. So la re la re la re la so do so la re la so. Just the same. So do so. So you can do it that way. La re la re so, or la re la so. You understand? So understand this concept. You understand? Then you go over it again, okay? So yeah, something like that. So do so. Or you can do no, you bring it this note, okay? So the normal vibe. So it's like you slide to your do re fa re so. You understand? Okay. the normal vibe. So something you can also apply to, so I can also teach you the soul. You understand? So let me teach you that. It's just your 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 5. Then you slide to your 1 2. Okay. 1 2 4 2 4 2 5 5. Then you continue. You understand? Then you can learn this, okay? Something like that. Okay, so let's continue. That was nice. That's you're going to your 2 1 6, then to your 2 and 5. Do ti do la. Okay. Do ti do la. Okay. So la, mi, re, la, so. So la, you can play your mi, re, yeah. When you have your la, mi, re, then la, so. That is why you need to know the fretboard very well. Okay, so do ti do la, mi, re, la, so, do. Then you can continue do, mi, re. So let me break it down for you. So do ti do la, mi, re, la, so, ti, re, mi, do, ti, do. Then your open string, your third string, la. Then you have your mi, re, la, so. You know, so then so, do, so. You can even play it here. So, do, so. So, do, so, do, so. La, re, la, so. Then you can continue. You understand? Okay. So do mi do la re. You see how it is? So do mi do la re. Okay. So re so do. You understand? Okay. So do. So do mi then you do re. So re do. Okay. So re do mi do re. So re do. Okay. So mi do so la re. So re. So when you play that, so ti re mi do. Okay, just the normal ones. So okay, do. Okay, so you can do it that way. Do re mi so la re. So. Then you can play ti re mi do re mi so la re. So. You can also play it on the high note. So let me teach you. Do re mi so la. Then you play re. Then so re do. You repeat again. Okay, re mi so la, re re re, so so so, re 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 do do. Okay, so I think that is the whole bass line to the whole song. Okay, so I was able to break the actual bass line to the song, and I added some of mine. You can also learn for any high life groove like this. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.